Did you know a simple egg, yes, the one you had this morning or the one you probably have in your fridge or kitchen right now, could be harming your body if you're over 60? From cholesterol spikes to hidden inflammation triggers, the way seniors eat eggs can make or break their health. But here's the good news. You don't have to quit eggs. You just need to learn the safe, smart way to enjoy them, even with diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart issues. Stick with me till the end for the safest egg recipes tailored just for seniors. Let's get into it. Let's talk about something many people overlook, the way you eat your eggs. Yes, eggs are often called nature's multivitamin. They're rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. But for seniors, the way these eggs are prepared and consumed can either support your health or slowly chip away at it. Unfortunately, many seniors unintentionally turn this superfood into a source of harm. Let's walk through the 5 most common mistakes seniors make when eating eggs and explain why each can be dangerous, especially if you're over 60 and managing conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or diabetes. Number 1. Eating too many yolks, the silent cholesterol spike. Egg yolks are the most nutrient-dense part of the egg, no doubt. They contain choline, which supports brain function, and essential fat-soluble vitamins like D and B12. But here's the catch. One large yolk contains about 185 milligrams of cholesterol. That's over 60% of the daily recommended cholesterol intake for adults. Now, the issue isn't eating eggs, it's the quantity. Many seniors eat 2 to 3 whole eggs daily, especially when trying to eat high-protein breakfasts. But if you already have elevated LDL, the bad cholesterol, heart disease, or are on cholesterol-lowering medication, this frequent egg yolk intake could actually counteract your progress and increase arterial plaque buildup. So what's the solution? Moderation and smart substitution. Limit your egg yolks to 3 to 4 per week. That's plenty to get the nutrients you need without going overboard on cholesterol. For the rest of your eggs, use egg whites or cholesterol-free egg substitutes that still offer high-quality protein without the extra cholesterol. Quick tip. Try a 1-to-2 ratio, 1 yolk mixed with 2 whites, to keep the flavor and texture while reducing the cholesterol load. Number 2. Frying eggs in butter or bacon grease, the heart attack combo. Here's a dangerous combo hiding in plain sight. Frying your eggs in butter, margarine, or bacon grease. Seniors love the taste, we get it. But what you're adding is extra saturated fat and trans fats, both of which directly increase LDL or bad cholesterol and triglycerides, key risk factors for heart attacks and strokes. Butter and bacon grease not only raise bad cholesterol, but they also increase inflammation in the blood vessels, especially in seniors who already have stiffening arteries due to age. Even worse, this method of cooking often results in overcooked, oxidized fats, which can trigger free radical damage inside your body. It's like turning a healthy food into a slow poison. Healthier alternatives. Switch to boiled, poached, or steamed eggs. If you love pan-cooked eggs, use a light spray of extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, which offer healthy monounsaturated fats. These oils help maintain heart health, keep your blood vessels flexible, and don't clog your arteries like saturated fats do. Number 3. Pairing eggs with white bread and processed meats, a diabetic's pitfall. A typical breakfast for many seniors might look like this: scrambled eggs, white toast, and a few slices of bacon or sausage. Sounds normal, right? But let's break it down. White bread is a high glycemic index food. It spikes blood sugar rapidly and provides almost no fiber. Bacon and sausages are loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives that can raise blood pressure, irritate the gut, and increase your risk of colorectal cancer. Combine this with eggs fried in butter, and you've got a triple threat for any senior with diabetes, high blood pressure, or kidney problems. Processed meats are also rich in saturated fats and additives that increase inflammation, damage blood vessels, and promote insulin resistance, a big concern for diabetics and pre-diabetics. Better combo ideas. Pair your eggs with fiber-rich options like whole grain toast, avocado, grilled vegetables, or a side of lentils. These foods stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and keep you full longer without the health risks. Number 4, eating eggs late at night, the digestion disturber. Here's a lesser known mistake. Eating eggs late at night. While eggs are protein rich, they also take longer to digest. For seniors whose digestion naturally slows down with age, this can cause problems. When you eat a heavy protein meal, like eggs, just before bed, you increase the risk of acid reflux, indigestion, and poor sleep quality. Many seniors already struggle with acid reflux due to medications, weak lower esophageal sphincters, or a hiatal hernia. Eggs also stimulate gastric acid production, especially when cooked with fat. If you're lying down shortly after, that acid can easily backflow into the esophagus. Best time to eat eggs. Eggs are best consumed in the morning or midday when your metabolism is more active and you're upright. Avoid egg dishes after 7 p.m., especially if you've had a big dinner. Number 5. Not watching portion sizes, the hidden overload. But it's just eggs, you might say. Here's the problem. Many seniors don't count the number of eggs they're eating throughout the week. A 3-egg omelet for breakfast, an egg sandwich at lunch, and a slice of quiche for dinner? That's easily 6 yolks in one day. Add in hidden egg content from baked goods, pancakes, or pastries, and you might be consuming dangerous levels of cholesterol and saturated fat without realizing it. Your liver naturally produces cholesterol. Adding too much dietary cholesterol through frequent yolks can trigger your liver to make even more, leading to dangerous cholesterol buildup in your blood vessels. Smart tracking tip. Use a simple note on your phone or fridge. Keep your yolks to 3 to 4 per week and use whites liberally. If you're eating eggs in a mixed dish like casseroles or baked items, count that toward your total. Here's how to enjoy eggs safely, no matter your health status. These practical, nutritionist-approved strategies will help you gain all the benefits of eggs while protecting your heart, blood sugar, and digestion. Let's start with diabetes, one of the most common chronic conditions in seniors. Eggs can absolutely be part of a diabetic-friendly diet, but only if eaten with balance and the right sides. Key risks. Egg yolks contain cholesterol and fat, which, when consumed in excess, may worsen insulin resistance. Eating eggs with white bread or sugary foods spikes blood sugar. Safe strategy to keep your health in check. Number 1, limit yolks to 3 per week. Number 2, prioritize egg whites or egg substitutes for daily consumption. They're low in calories and cholesterol-free. Number 3, pair your eggs with fiber-rich foods to slow down glucose absorption. Examples include a slice of sprouted grain toast, a bowl of steamed cut oats topped with cinnamon, a handful of sautéed spinach or kale. Cooking style. Boil or poach your eggs. No added fats or frying. Add flavor with turmeric, which helps blood sugar, paprika, black pepper, or rosemary. This combo helps manage blood sugar levels, keeps you full longer, and supports muscle health, which is essential as we age. Next, let's talk about hypertension, another silent threat for seniors. While eggs are naturally low in sodium, what you add to them can turn them harmful fast. Key risks: adding salt, bacon, sausage, or cheese can push sodium levels through the roof. Fried or greasy eggs worsen inflammation and vascular stress. Here are safe strategies. 1. Skip table salt altogether. 2. Use flavorful herbs and spices instead. 3. Parsley, turmeric, garlic powder, basil, oregano, and cumin all support circulation and flavor. 4. Use olive oil spray or poaching instead of butter or heavy oils. Healthy pairings: sliced avocado for potassium, which helps control blood pressure. Roasted tomatoes with garlic for lycopene, which supports arteries. Cucumber or zucchini slices for hydration and crunch. Every forkful helps lower inflammation, ease blood pressure, and nourish your heart. Eggs are tricky when it comes to cholesterol. The yolk is rich in dietary cholesterol, and while some seniors can handle it in moderation, others need to be extra careful. Risks may include too many egg yolks may raise LDL cholesterol in sensitive individuals. Cooking with fatty meats or oils further clogs arteries. Here are safe strategies. Use the 1 egg yolk plus 2 egg whites rule to maintain taste and cut cholesterol by more than half. Avoid processed cheeses or meats. Use heart-healthy add-ons. Avocados, which contain monounsaturated fats. Fresh garlic, known to reduce LDL. Chopped tomatoes or bell peppers, loaded with antioxidants. Cooking method: poach or bacon muffin cups lined with stemmids or mushrooms. You can also add a dash of turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory and liver supporter. Eggs don't need to raise your cholesterol. It's all about the preparation and what's on the side. Even if you're generally healthy, eggs need to be eaten smartly after 60. Your body processes fats and proteins more slowly. Your metabolism drops, and your risk for heart and digestive issues increases, even without a diagnosis. Here are general guidelines for all seniors. Eat eggs during breakfast or lunch, not dinner. Protein digests slower at night and may interfere with sleep or cause acid reflux. Pair your eggs with high antioxidant foods to protect bones, muscles, and memory. Antioxidant foods like blueberries or strawberries, steamed broccoli or Swiss chard, well grains like quinoa or brown rice are perfect pairs. Cooking tips: soft boiled or lightly scrambled in olive oil. Add fresh herbs and lemon zest for flavor without fat. Eggs are a perfect protein for seniors if they're eaten cleanly and combined with nutrient-rich sides. Now, let's bust some of the most common egg myths that confuse seniors and often lead to harmful choices. You might be shocked at number 4. Myth 1. Eggs are bad for the heart. Truth: eggs are not bad when consumed in moderation. It's the saturated fat, greasy cooking methods, and processed meat pairings that hurt your heart, not the egg itself. Studies show 1 egg per day is generally safe for healthy seniors. The real danger: butter-soaked eggs with bacon on white toast. Myth 2. Brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. Truth: the color of an egg depends on the hen, not the nutrition. Both brown and white eggs have the same protein, cholesterol, and nutrient profile. Don't be fooled by the shell color. What matters is how you cook them. Myth 3. Raw eggs build more muscle. Truth: raw eggs carry salmonella risks, especially dangerous for seniors with weakened immune systems. Cooking actually makes protein more bioavailable, easier to absorb, and safer. Always cook your eggs. Your gut and immune system will thank you. Myth 4. Egg yolks are useless and dangerous. Truth: yolks contain most of the vitamins and minerals, including choline for memory, and vitamin D for bones. The key is portion. 3 to 4 yolks a week is a safe range for most seniors. Don't skip yolks, just don't overdo them. Myth 5. You shouldn't eat eggs every day. Truth. You can if you're balancing whites and yolks, cooking cleanly, and pairing with healthy sides. 1 egg a day won't hurt, but fried eggs with sausage daily, that's a problem. Myth 6. Eggs must be eaten hot. Truth. Hard-boiled eggs stay fresh for 5 to 7 days in the fridge. They make a great protein snack when you're low on energy, especially if you're avoiding processed snacks. Chilled eggs plus cucumber slices equal blood sugar-friendly senior snack. Myth 7. Seniors should eat less protein. Truth. Seniors actually need more protein to prevent muscle loss, boost immune health, and repair cells. Eggs are one of the most affordable, digestible, and nutrient-rich protein sources out there. It's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Here's the good news about eggs for seniors. High-quality protein. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids needed to repair muscles, maintain strength, and support immunity, which becomes more important with age. Rich in choline. This nutrient protects brain health, especially memory and cognitive function. Full of vitamins, especially B12, which supports nerves, vitamin D supports bones, and selenium, which fights cell aging. 1 egg gives your body a nutritional boost if eaten right. Here come the risks when eaten the wrong way as well. Too many yolks raises cholesterol. Fried in butter or bacon fat increases saturated fat and inflammation. Eaten with white bread or sausage raises blood sugar, sodium, and weight gain risk. Late-night egg meals worsens digestion and acid reflux. It's not just the egg. It's what you cook it in, what you eat it with, and when you eat it. What's the bottom line? Eggs are a gift to seniors when eaten with wisdom. Avoid fried, greasy, late-night, or yolk-heavy meals. Focus on egg whites, clean cooking, and smart pairings. And adjust your egg intake based on your personal health, diabetes, high cholesterol, blood pressure, or acid reflux. Always make sure to consult your doctor if you notice any changes in your health. If you've ever wondered, should I stop eating eggs after 60? The answer is no. You just have to start eating them the right way. Have you stopped eating eggs because you think they aren't safe for your health? Comment below the changes you observed while eating and when you stopped eating eggs. Want a printable egg-safe meal guide for seniors? Drop a Egg Smart in the comments and I'll share a free download. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another life-saving food tip for healthy aging.